Welcome, everyone. Today we'll explore how Bitcoin has become the fifth most valuable asset in the world and what it means for global finance. Bitcoin surpassing major assets is more than symbolic. It signals a major shift in how value is perceived in the digital age. Market cap helps investors understand the size and significance of an asset. For Bitcoin, it's a function of scarcity and investor demand rather than company performance. By overtaking giants like Amazon and Google, Bitcoin's rise shows its powerful momentum and emerging financial role. These are the only four assets currently ahead of Bitcoin. They include tangible stores of value and dominant tech giants. Several powerful drivers are behind Bitcoin's surge, from institutional buying to ETF accessibility and macroeconomic pressures. This isn't just about price. It's about how Bitcoin is being integrated into the very fabric of finance and investment strategy. This image provides a compelling visual summary of how Bitcoin is increasingly being adopted, not just by individual investors, but by significant institutions and even governments worldwide. Looking at the top half of the infographic, we see the section dedicated to top companies holding Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, led by Michael Saylor, has been a pioneer in corporate Bitcoin adoption, making it a primary Treasury reserve asset. Their aggressive accumulation strategy has positioned them as one of the largest corporate holders, demonstrating a strong belief in Bitcoin as a long-term store of value. Tesla, while their holdings have fluctuated, also made a significant move by adding Bitcoin to their balance sheet, signaling mainstream corporate acceptance. You can see countries like the USA, China, and El Salvador prominently marked. The United States and China hold significant Bitcoin reserves, primarily acquired through law enforcement seizures from criminal activities, such as the Silk Road takedown or major Ponzi schemes. While not purchased as strategic reserves initially, their decision to hold rather than immediately liquidate some of these assets signals an implicit recognition of Bitcoin's value. El Salvador stands out as the first nation to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Their government has actively purchased Bitcoin, often using profits from these holdings to fund infrastructure projects and demonstrating a national strategy built around the cryptocurrency. But it's not all smooth sailing. Bitcoin still faces challenges like volatility, regulation, and energy concerns. Bitcoin's rise reflects deeper shifts toward decentralization and rethinking money and value in a global context. Let's open the floor for questions and discussion. Thank you for being part of this exciting conversation. Remember to subscribe this channel, comment, like, and share. Thank you.